Puppet Show 57. It's Super Bogie.
From the corner of happy and nice, it's Bogie's puppet friends.
Wowzer, you've been doing all sorts of things around the village lately. You've been doing a lot of cleaning up. You've been picking up litter, raking leaves. You've been doing more than you normally do. What's going on?
Oh, I'm a little embarrassed to say that, Dad. I'm just doing it because of something I saw on the internet.
Hop, 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 hop. I'm amazed how quickly you have cleaned up our village. It makes me so happy to see. Hop, 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 hop. It's time to do some happy hopping, 'cause I'm so happy. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, 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 hop.
I've never seen it so clean, wowser. It makes my bright yellow bananas look even brighter. EEE, my bananas look better than ever. EEE.
Tweet, 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 beep, 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 tweet, 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 tweet. Now we can see seeds on the ground a lot easier to make it nice for us to eat. Tweet, 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 beep, 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 beep.
Wowzer, seeing you work so hard at making things look nice makes me want to purr. Purr. It makes my heart feel warm, even warmer from my fur. Meow, meow, says the little kitty.
When I was a little boy back in Italy, my mama would say every Wednesday was clean up the village day. She would get everybody together, especially the young ones, to make the village look nice. Of course, she would make a big dish of chicken parmigiana for everyone that helped clean up. So, Wowzer, you still haven't told me. Why are you doing so much? Please let me know. I'm so proud of you and I love you. I love you.
Thank you, Dad. Well, I'm a little embarrassed to say, but it was something I saw on the internet that said there are many superhero kids out there doing amazing things in their neighborhoods, towns, and villages. I just said to myself, how cool would it be if one of those superheroes was me?
Hop, hop, hop. No, I am super happy because of you, Wowzer. I'm going to have to do my very rare, hardly ever done, super duper happy hop. Hop, hop, hop. Check this out. I'm going to do my super happy hop in just one moment. Hop, 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 hop.
I am so proud of you too, Super Wowzer. I'm amazed that someone so young can do so many good things. Even more things than most of us grown-ups. I'm gonna make a super humongous colossal double banana split with extra whipped cream and 2 cherries on top for extra good luck for you and Super Wowzer. EEE, you'll love my banana splits.
Tweet, 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 tweet. Oh my goodness, look over there. Wowzer put all the sticks and grasses on a pile. It's going to be so easy for us when we need to repair or remodel our nest. Thank you, Super Wowzer. Beep, 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 beep.
When you help the village to look nicer or be nicer, it's good for each and every one. From the bottom of my heart and every inch of my soul, I want to say thank you a ton. Brrr.
My Uncle Pablo Giovanni Smoochy Woochie always led the cleanup crew after a big storm would hit our village. Everyone in the village would call my uncle Super Smoochy Woochie. Someone even bought him a cape like a superhero wears. He would wear it for fun every now and then. I hear that Super Bogie even has a cape of his own. Thank you to Dolores Votruba for sponsoring this episode of Bogie's Puppet Friends with the wish to end Alzheimer's in our lifetime.
Why does Bogie wag his tail, wag his tail, wag his tail? Why does Bogie wag his tail? Because he's a dog. Why does Bogie woof woof woof, woof woof woof, woof woof woof? Why does Bogie woof woof woof? Ow! Because he's a dog. Why does Bogie sniff sniff sniff, sniff sniff sniff, sniff sniff sniff? Why does Bogie sniff sniff sniff? Achoo! Because he's a dog. Why does Bogie chew his toys, chew his toys, chew his toys? Why does Bogie chew his toys? Because he's hungry.
To send any fan mail or pictures you may have drawn to Bogie or Always Puppet Friends, send them to Bogie's Puppet Friends,
P.O. Box 143, Medina, Ohio 44258.
That was Bogie's favorite song.